We are here today for our Police Explorers program. The students that came today, they want to become police officers. So this is a stepping stone for them. This allows them the opportunity to learn more about policing. Not only just the bad things that go out on the street, they get to learn how we execute report writing, how we deal with each other, what it takes with dealing with the public, investigating skills, those practical skills like handcuffing, the physical agility things that we do. So the kids that came today, they want to become police officers, and we do everything we can to get them prepared.
It helps with a lot of leadership skills, and it helps you connect with a lot of other people.
I joined this program to learn a lot more about what policing could really be and the depths of it.
Building relationships with students is my highest priority, right? Because what happens is those relationships contribute to a student coming to talk to you about personal things, about what's going on around campus, and then how we can help them.
They all help us grow, and it's just honestly great, the connections that I made with these people here, and the new people you meet, like how our competition in Austin, we meet all types of new people, and everything's just friendly along the way.
Doing those things to be productive, to be a good citizen, and to make sure that you have the proper dealings with police and getting to know those things about police will help definitely make you a well-rounded individual.
We balance each other out, really, and we really help each other.
Even if you don't have a voice, you can have one here.
My advice to anyone that's interested in being a police officer is just to be a well-rounded individual.